Changing your password on Etsy is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Etsy website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to find options related to your password and account security. Step 4. Change your password. Under the Security Settings, you will see an option to change your password. Click on it, then enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your Etsy password and enhance your account security. Remember to choose a strong password and update it regularly.